Hi there, I'm Reeve from the order desk here at Gregg Distributors. What does Dynaline and Cluthé and the Wizard of Oz have in common? Stick around and find out, because today on Gear Up with Greggs, we're going to talk about funnels, oilers, measurers, and more. Although the story of Dynaline began with providing hard-working farmers of rural Canada with the products they needed, and Cluthé began primarily as a molding company supplying other local businesses, both Dynaline and Cluthé have been supplying companies like Gregg Distributors for many years. Today, Dynaline and Cluthé have grown into trusted brand names throughout Canada and continue to hold their pride for their Canadian heritage. Cluthé and Dynaline have a variety of funnels and measurers to help in everyday fluid or material handling. Funnels, as many will already know, come in handy when you're trying to pour liquids or small particulates into a separate space or container. Funnels can be really useful when you're doing tasks like refilling your vehicle's windshield washer fluid, doing an oil change, and so much more. These multi-purpose funnels come in 6-ounce to 28-ounce sizes and are designed for multiple applications. Or, if you're looking for a strictly automotive funnel, this one here is 120 ounces and comes with a 100 mesh filter. So any debris or dirt is filtered out before it enters your vehicle. But wait a second, what is a 100 mesh filter? Well, it's a US standard measurement for the size of the openings in a filter or screen that allow certain size particles to pass through. To figure out the mesh number for a filter can be pretty simple. All you need to do is count the number of openings or holes in 1 linear inch of the screen. A 100 mesh screen, like the ones that Cluthé funnels feature, have 100 openings per inch. A good thing to remember is as the number indicating the mesh size increases, the size of the openings and the size of the particles captured by the screen decreases. Higher mesh numbers mean only smaller particle sizes can pass through. It is very important to remember too that mesh size is not actually measuring filters' openings. This is because screens can be made with different materials that have different thicknesses of strands or wires. The thicker the strand means the smaller the openings that a particle can pass through, and vice versa. Back to the 30080. It has also been designed with this unique shape in order to make it easier to pour into while underneath the hood. Cluthé also has these two styles of industrial funnels. This anti-splash style features a 100 mesh filter and has been shaped to prevent splashing onto the user. While this large industrial funnel has been designed with quantity in mind, as it can hold up to 144 ounces and also features a 100 mesh filter. Overall, Cluthé funnels are designed to be compatible with oils, acids, adhesives, and more. These funnels are spark-proof, dent-proof, leak-proof, and chemical-resistant. They've also been designed to lessen the amount of splashing and tipping. And as a bonus, each funnel comes with an easy-to-use hang-up tab, so storing and organization is one simple task. Speaking of funnels, did you know the Tin Woodsman in The Wizard of Oz doesn't actually wear a funnel on his head in the original book? It was actually a symbol borrowed from medieval art that meant madness and was added to the character by W. Denslow in his original illustrations for the book. And the tool the Tin Woodsman uses to keep his joints lubricated is actually called an oiler. Let's talk about oilers, and I don't mean the hockey team. An oiler is a handy tool that can help lubricate workpieces in a controlled manner. These tools are usually small enough to be used one-handed. Cluthé has two options for multi-purpose oilers where ultimately the difference is the max quantity that they can hold. This one is able to carry 6 ounces worth of fluid, while this one is able to hold 10 ounces. And for more miscellaneous tasks, Dynaline and Cluthé also offer plastic measuring containers and scoops. These plastic measuring containers are perfect for mixing oil, gas, powders, and chemicals. They are made from polypropylene and come in a 2.5 or 4.5 liter capacity size. This one even comes with a removable anti-splash spout. Meanwhile, these plastic scoops are ideal for measuring dry materials like grains or ice melt. And if you're curious about ice melt and want to learn more, check out our ice melt test table video. These scoops also have a secure heat-resistant handle and are spark, leak, and dent-proof. If you're still curious to what else Dynaline and Cluthé has to offer, feel free to give us a call, or you can visit our website at greggdistributors.ca. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give us a like or comment down below. Again, I'm Reeve, and it's time for me to hit the yellow brick road. So thanks for joining me on Gear Up with Greggs.